I made these scrumptious blueberry drop biscuits. One of my most viewed videos is this original drop biscuit video. This recipe calls for self-rising flour. I just want to take a moment to show you what self-rising flour looks like. A lot of people are telling me in that original video that their biscuits did not rise, and I think it's because you did not use self-rising flour. I could be wrong, but make sure the package says self-rising flour. So everything is pretty much the same, except this time I added blueberries. I had blueberries left over from the bagels that I made the other day, so I decided to make blueberry drop biscuits. Again, I'm using my cast iron skillet, and I'm going to place a couple of blueberries on top. And into the oven it's going to go. And here we are. I decided to add a little bit of vanilla glaze on top, and these turned out so delicious.